The Airbus A320 family is a series of narrow-body airliners developed and produced by Airbus. The A320 was launched in March 1984, first flew on February 1987, and was introduced in April 1988 by Air France. The first member of the family was followed by the longer A321, the shorter A319, and the even shorter A318. Final assembly takes place in Toulouse in France, Hamburg in Germany, Tianjin in China since 2009, and Alabama in the United States since April 2016. The A320 series has two variants, the A320-100 and A320-200. The Airbus A320 is a versatile and highly popular aircraft known for its efficiency and reliability. In October 2019, it surpassed the Boeing 737 to become the world's highest-selling commercial aircraft. In 1988, the value of a new A320 was $30 million, reaching $40 million by the end of the 1990s. It dipped to $37 million after 2001, then peaked to $47 million in 2008, and stabilized at $40 to $42 million until the transition to the A320neo. In 2018, its list price was $101.0 million US. The cost of operating the Airbus A320 comes with its own unique set of costs, from fuel, insurance, maintenance, ground handling fees, crew costs, to landing fees. Fuel costs are one of the largest costs associated with A320. The average fuel cost for a single flight is between $2,000 and $4,000. Insurance costs can range from $50,000 to $100,000 per year. Maintenance costs can range from $15,000 to $30,000 per year. Can you buy an A320? Yes, it is possible. The price of a new Airbus A320 depends on a number of factors, but typically ranges from $80 million to $110 million. Price range can vary due to different specifications, engine, interior options, and Airbus condition. There is also used marketplace, where prices can be from $13 million to $30 million.